Why do we do such fancy joints when we're joining two pieces of timber together? In this video, I'll show you. Hello and welcome back to Nick's Woodwork Wonders. Now, when you're joining timber together, sometimes you'll do a simple bolt joint, but a lot of the time you'll do a joint like a mortise and tenon, a dovetail, a halving joint. Have you ever wondered why? Why do we do joints? Why don't we just bolt two pieces of timber together? Well, there is a really good reason for that, and that is when you put two pieces of timber together, so if we were joining those two pieces of timber together like that, the actual contact surface is that area there, which in this case is about 2 3/4 inches square. So that is the surface area of the joint. So that joins that. So if you're gluing this joint, that is the part of the timber that will make contact and stick the glue together. Now, if we did a joint, so say we did a mitre joint, which is this, where we've cut the timber at a 45-degree angle, and so when we join this together with another mitre, like that, what we've actually done there is we've increased the surface area of that joint. So if I hold this timber next to that timber, you can see the mitered piece has probably increased the surface area by about 50%. And that's why a lot of the time we do joints, whether it's a dovetail or whether it's a halving joint or a mortise and tenon. What we're trying to do is basically increase the surface area of that joint. So we're increasing the amount of area that's touching another area, so it makes that joint stronger. Now, this is always the case. Sometimes on things like drawers, they'll do dovetails, which also increases the surface area, but also gives it a lovely look. But that is basically why joints are used when joining timber. It's to increase the surface area of the contact between one piece of wood and the other piece of wood. And if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more amazing woodworking and DIY videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because over 90% of you watchers aren't subscribed. Why not? Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you lot on the next one.